Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we'll see how auto reconciliation works. Auto reconciliation means user manually is not required to go into manual reconciliations by selecting the transactions and by matching the bank statement transactions with system transactions and click on reconcile. Based on some selection criteria, system only select all those bank statement lines with system transactions. They will be matched and automatically they will be reconciled. So first we'll import the bank statement and these are the system transactions. If matches found, all the all the statements, all the transactions which are there in the statement, they will be matched with system transactions and they will be reconciled. And if there are any exceptions, they will not be reconciled. Now, let us jump into the system and understand this process. Now, these are the statements. Think this is the bank statement and enter couple of transactions in the statement. Now, jump into the instance. Click on navigator. Click on cash management. Click on bank statement and reconciliation. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on create bank statement. Now jump into the Excel and see what is the reference number 107113. Select your bank account. ERPZEN. Select your bank account. I want to create this statement from May 1st up until 31st. What is the statement ID? Say 1072. Now click on statement lines. Now click on add icon to add a statement. The booking date I want to take May 1st. What is the transaction code? I want to go with check CHK. CHK and reconciliation reference. Reconciliation reference is nothing but our check number. We'll check what is the check number. 107113. 107113. And now flow indicator, whether it is, if it is credit, customer has paid the amount to us. If it is a debit transaction, we have paid the amount to the supplier. Set debit. What is the amount? $80,000. Say $80,000. Now click on create another. We will create okay, we will go with this one. Now click on statement lines, click on create booking date 1st May up until 31st May. Okay, it is not asking anyway. Now transaction code check, flow indicator debit, $80,000. We'll see the reconciliation reference 107113. 107113. Now say create another. Now booking date. I want to go with May 1st. Transaction code check, flow indicator debit, Now say 70,000 and 107,112, 107,112, say 70,000, say 70,000, and click on OK. Click on save. Click on OK, no problem. Click on OK. Now we have created two transactions, two bank statement lines. Or click on save and close. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now we will go and create matching rules. Search for the task called manage bank statement matching rules. Click on cash management. Click on all tasks. Manage bank statement reconciliation matching rules. Click on create icon. Now say ERPZEN matching rules. For which sources you want to use this rule? I want to use this for payables and as well as receivables. Here you can see one to one, one to many to one, and many to many. Here, one to one means one bank statement line matches to one system transaction. That means bank statement line and system transaction needs to have the same amount. User can define other attributes as matching criteria like date, reconciliation, reference, transaction type, or they can enter advanced criteria manually. Now we'll talk about one to many. One bank statement line matches to many system transactions and it defines group attributes, system transactions. It defines attributes to group system transactions and match them with one bank statement line. Many to one. Many bank statement lines match to one system transaction and it defines attributes to group statement lines and match them with one system transaction. And the last option is many to many. Many bank statement lines match to many system transactions, defines attributes to group bank statement lines and system transactions, resulting in a unique matching results. Now we will go with the option called one to one. Now say matching criteria, the amount should be matched and the date, I'll go with only amount. Now say save. Save and close. Click on done. Now we have to assign this matching rule to rule sets. Go to the task called manage bank statement reconciliation rule sets. Now click on add to create a rule set. Give the name ERPZEN reconciliation rule sets. Now say save. Click on add. Here under matching rule, you have to add your rule. ERPZEN matching rule. Click on OK. Now click on say save and close. Click on OK. Click on done. Now assign this rule set to our bank account. Say manage bank accounts. Open the task. Search for your bank account. Click on edit. Go to controls tab and here at this option automatic reconciliation rule set. Assign your rule set. ERPZEN reconciliation rule sets. Now click on save. OK. Click on OK. Save and close. Click on OK. Now say done. Now run auto reconciliation process. Click on navigator. Click on cash management, bank statement and reconciliations. Click on task list or task pane. Now say submit auto reconciliation. Now select your bank account. The bank account is ERPZEN bank account. And from which date? 1st May to 31st May. And if you want, say for example, this bank is having multiple statements, you can restrict this program by selecting one statement ID, or else you can submit. If you let it blank, it will submit so many all the statements which are under this bank account. Say I want to restrict only for 1073. Now say submit 6813. Go to scheduled process. It is succeeded. Now we'll check whether those two statements are reconciled or not. Click on navigator. Click on bank statement and reconciliation. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on manual reconciliation. Click on reconciled. Search with your bank account. ERPZEN bank account. Now click on OK. Hit search. Now you can see these are the two transactions which we have entered and reconciled. And there is one more report called bank statement report. Let us run that. Click on navigator. Click on tools. Click on scheduled process. Click on schedule new process. Now run bank statement report. Click on OK. See, it extracts balances and transaction information for a specific bank account. Okay. Now select your bank account. ERPZEN bank account. Now from statement date, I want to first 31st. Click on submit. Click on OK. Select the record. Click on default document. Now you can see the detailed information about the banks. This is the statement number 1071, and under this statement we are having one unreconciled statement lines, and this is the statement 2, and this is the statement 2, statement number 2, and under this we are having one transaction which is reconciled $60,000. And now in this session, in this video, we have entered the statement number 1073, and we have entered two transactions, and both are reconciled by auto reconciliation process. In this way, you can run the bank statement detail report and check whether the statement lines are reconciled with the system transactions. Click on Home. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.